Okay, this is how I prepare my lunch. I got this vitamin water, zero sugar, and it's orange. It says rinse, or sorry, it's rice, orange. It comes with 6 package like this. I grabbed one of them, and this is my refrigerator. Okay, and this is my meal box. Let's open it to show you what we have got for the lunch. When I at my workplace, I have my 3 mandolins and my fork and Wendy's Cobb salad without pork, and also vitamin for 1 vitamin water, 3 to make or oranges like a small one, you say mandolin, and also a salad with chicken on it. Some utensils you may put like this to here. All right, and don't forget your fork from Wendy's. Also, I like Wendy's salad, by the way. It's very good, tastes good, quality is good, it's fresh. And I prepare my meal box like this. And last but not least, always I dress my salad with California olive ranch, extra virgin, 100% California. This is called pressed, by the way. This is very good. When you want to dress your salad, you may use it. On the other hand, you can also use this one from Marmara Birlik. It's extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, it's quarter milliliter and it's 8.5 fluid ounces. These 2 are very important, and this is my meal box for my lunch, and I prepare it every weekday night. Yep, keep it frozen. I mean, not frozen, keep in the refrigerator. Keep it refrigerated, okay? Sometimes I add apple, you may see. Apple comes from my breakfast actually. And Danone whole milk plain yogurt, yep. What's inside? Okay, it's 0 added sugar and some low ingredients. I really like cultured grade A milk and other live active yogurt cultures. Okay, this is how I prepare my lunch every weekday. Thank you, vitamin water.